welcome to a brand new video.
Good morning.
So, today I'm doing a bit more of a vlog than a normal day. I'm currently waiting for the dogs to finish eating. We've got Mr. Quattro over there. We've got Mrs. Dixie who's eating over there. I have just laid a full floor in the downstairs of my house. Check it. If you remember on my Instagram, I smashed this wall clean out. Long story short, I'm just getting to the next stage of the renovation. What time is it?
10:33.
10:33. What do you feel? How do you feel about the fact that we've only just got out of bed at 10:33 a.m?
Well, no, standard. No, is it a standard day? No, I think we usually get out of bed a little bit earlier.
Okay, so today I've got a pretty cool video going down. I'm waiting for a DHL delivery. I've been waiting all morning since 8 o'clock this morning, patiently waiting, and it comes from any time from 2 minutes ago. So I'm going to record. When it comes, I'm going to record the guy knocking on the door. And she's giving me preconditions today that she'll come to Wrexham with me for exhaust pipes.
If we go to a castle.
If we go to a castle. So we're going to a castle. So this is going to be a bit more of a vlog today, which is going to be pretty cool. We've got Tetley with Oatly whole milk in it. However, where we live, the water's got a lot of scum in it, a lot of minerals. It's mineral-rich water, isn't it?
Mineral rich.
You weren't expecting this in the morning, was you?
No.
Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Look at my floor. Floor's looking gangster. We did have a rug down here, but we've moved the rug. Are you done? Are you done? Are you done? Yo.
I do, mate.
Do you mind being in my vlog?
What?
Do you mind being in my vlog?
What for?
My YouTube video?
What are you doing?
Filming this.
What do you want me in it for?
Just because you're the delivery driver.
Cheers, mate. Thanks.
My guy. Oh my god, the beast is here.
What do you told me?
The white van. I told you it was going to be the white van. Damn. Tia. New car parts. CT carbon. Which means the S3 is getting its first carbon fibre mods. Okay. Follow me to the garage. We're going to unbox new carbon for the Audi S3. Hopefully the delivery driver is hyped on his debut performance. You might not even be able to see him, to be fair, because this camera's a bit BTEC. Do you want to be in my vlog?
No, I'm alright, mate.
Are you alright?
I watch them myself.
What, you watch them? Yeah. What, my videos?
Yeah, I watch the videos, yeah.
You ready? See you in a bit. Cheers, mate. In other news, the stock S3 wheels have sold. I'm meeting a guy with a TT later this week, and he's going to be collecting his new wheels. So they've sold, so if anyone's messaging us about them, stop messaging, because they're sold. Okay, now, before we go any further in today's video, I wanted to show you our new Relaxed Fit OWNA 2024 hoodies. So we do different style hoodies on OWNA. This one is one without drawstrings, slightly wider, slightly shorter fit. It's got that like sort of like relaxed look vibe to it. As you can see, it's got the Date Night logo in grey and white. Don't forget, on my brand OWNA, we've got a crazy deal at the moment, which is a free t-shirt with any single hoodie. Just search OWNA on Google or go to the link in the description of this video and get involved. Just add your favourite hoodie, add your favourite t-shirt, add them together and you'll get your t-shirt completely free on checkout. And you can do it with more than one hoodie. So if you're ordering 10 hoodies, you get 10 free t-shirts. It's that simple. Okay, so I was only planning on showing you one box today, which was this bottom box. But this box showed up. Now this box isn't for a mod, but let me just show you what I ordered and why. So I ordered from My Car Cleaning. Now, I ordered a 6-pack of applicators. And there is a reason. The reason why I ordered a 6-pack of applicators is because I've just done it again. I drop these so much. And once you drop them, they're pretty much done. If you use one after you drop it, you and me ain't the same type of person. That's all I'm saying. If you use one, when you drop it, me and you ain't the same type of person. Now, my aim... Oh my god, I had an angle before, now it's not really the angle anymore. Okay, now, the aim is to not drop them, but in case I drop them, I've ordered 3 little round ones and 6-pack of square ones, which means I don't have to, like, I stopped waxing the other day because I dropped it, whereas I can just get a freshie out, which I hope I never drop them again, but you never know. My drying towel was wet, so I put it on the radiator in the house, and then when I was laying on the floor and in the living room, all the dust off the saws went all over the drying towel, which means that drying towel is done, which is a good reason to order what I think is the best drying towel on the market, which is the Maguire's, what is it actually called? Drying towel. Duo Twist, the Duo Twist drying towel. Okay, let's go. Ah, that hurt. Jeez. So, we're going to do a POV of the box. Check it out. Damn, looks insane. CT Carbon, handle with care. If you are someone that works at CT Carbon, I did message you and ask you for a deal on this and you didn't get back to me. Feel free to send me some free carbon parts for the Audi S3. I would not say no to some free carbon parts. Boy, my God, that looks insane. That looks absolutely insane. Check that out. So, you might be wondering, what the hell is this piece of carbon for? This piece of carbon is for the underneath of the rear bumper, so when you look from the side, you'll see this big chunky section. You know what? Before I show you the rest of this, let me show you what I'm talking about. My car's down the side of the house because it's been snowing. I don't know why I put it down. Oh, no, my car's down the side of the house because I was cutting all my laminate flooring in the front garden. Let me show you what this replaces before we show you this in depth. Okay, pretty blown out footage right now. However, I thought I would show you. So this on a stock S3 is dead as. So you get a 2-piece thing. You get this piece, and then obviously your pipes. And then you get this little flat bit. Mine's been painted black, but it looks crap.
Hello.
So that piece is getting swapped out for a proper chunky version and a carbon version. How insane is that? It just looks so epic. I tell you what we're gonna do. We're gonna raise it in the air, nice and high, so we can have a proper look at it. So it's gonna be, as you can see, like this, with all blades and chunky bit. So obviously you get all this, which has got way more aggressive vibes, big fat sections, another thin in the middle, and then we're gonna have 2 big pipes sticking out of it. But this corner section just looks brilliant. It just looks so sick. So, this isn't my permanent parking, just to put it out there. Yeah, I'm gonna move my car, but I do want to get an Instapic of my car. Oh my God, it's so icy. Hey, it's so icy. Don't fall over. So, you picked Monera Quarry.
I did.
Is that right?
Yeah, Monera Quarry.
Cool shoes, homie.
I know. We're matching. Matchy match. Looks crap. Oh my God, look at that stuff.
I know. So, I'm going to get a quick snap for my IG with my car looking slammed out in the location. Go over to my IG and click on my picture, and you see that little heart at the front. You press it and you like my picture.
Look at that. It looks like it should be a lake, but it's not.
A river, a stream. Oh my God, it's dried up, ready for some DH. Jeez, look at that. Straight into the tunnel gap.
Jeez.
What are you saying on the old... What is it called? Minera.
Minera.
It's got these crazy doors here and all the way along. There's another one. There's the next one. There's the next one. All the way along. And there's not much. You can't see much. My camera definitely won't pick this up. But it's just this big hole in there. But we can see on that side some massive quarry walls. So we're going to go and see if we can go in there. Damn. So, walked quite high. Well, not that high, but we walked a little bit and we're in like a massive open space. As you can see, huge open land mass where it looks like they've dug the hills out. And if you look all the way over there, it looks like they've dug some sort of like castle looking rocks out. Do you think they have?
No, I think it's just naturally ended up looking like that.
Look at all the rock faces, I'll show you guys. Jeez. So as you can see, the hills says that it 200, was it 200 years ago?
Yeah, 200 years.
So apparently for 200 years or 200 years ago, they were digging limestone out in this massive crater. This is actually the second part because we went to another bit over there before, which had a lot. And apparently there's lead mines here as well, so maybe we'll go and check them out. This would be a good place to advertise my new hoodie. Free t-shirt, every single hoodie. I did tell you guys at the beginning that you can get a free t-shirt of every single hoodie. Why haven't you gone for the deal yet? Because if you had, you wouldn't still be here. But maybe you did it and come back to the video, which would also be cool. Free t-shirt, every single hoodie. These are our brand new OWNA hoodies. I know I'm a bit shadowed and a bit blown out right now. That's okay. No drawstrings, fat hood, sick. This is the last location of the mines. Looks pretty damn insane. However, there is a sheep climbing up there.
I don't know how you zoom in.
Like this, watch.
We could if we could.
So, zoom the lens in, and then zoom the camera in. Oh my god. So, that is a sheep there. Okay, so, this is where I'm at. I've just bought the exhaust tips. They're actually under my coat. I'm going to show you. I've just bought my exhaust tips, which are pretty epic. Check them. So, I gave the lad 140. 140 for them. They're chrome. They're cool. They're just the type of exhaust tip that I would always normally buy on an exhaust. They've never been fitted. I'm praying that they're the right size. But I would say these probably to go and buy would be somewhere in the region of a couple to £400. So like £200 to £400. If you know exhaust tips, you'll know they're not that cheap. Right, my beautiful people. We are back from Wales. That was a mission, to say the least. An absolute mission. Now, let me flip this box upside down. Let's put my diffuser back like this so we can see what it's going to look like. So we've got my diffuser back like that, and this was the whole reason I wanted to make the journey today, was so that when my exhaust tips are sticking out of it like this, damn, it's going to look sick. So these exhaust tips have never been used, so obviously on an S3 you've got two either side. Like so. My god, that is going to be a flex. That's what it's going to look like either side of the beast. So these are the exhaust tips that I just bought from Wales off this guy. And as you can see, they've never been fitted before. They're proper shiny monsters. I actually think these would retail at a lot higher value than I think they'd retail at a lot higher value than like cheap ones on eBay and stuff. I think they're actually a really high-end looking set, which is pretty cool. I wanted to go chrome so I can polish them up a lot and keep them really shiny. Really, really, really happy with all four. They look sick. Stay tuned for the next episode in the next couple of days, where I'm going to be installing all of these car parts and machine polishing the back end of my car to make the back end look as lively as the front end. Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. As always, sick vlog. Don't forget, brand new hoodies on OWNA. We've got loads of different types of new hoodies. We've got GTR hoodies back in stock as well. Loads of new hoodies on OWNA. Free t-shirt with every single hoodie. OWNAofficial.com, or just Google OWNA or hit the link in the description of this video. Make sure you go and get involved. Add your favourite hoodie, add your favourite t-shirt, and you'll get your t-shirt completely free. And you can do it for as many hoodies as you want. Thanks for the support. As always, hit the like button, get involved in the comments below with any mod ideas or what you want to see in the future on this channel. Until then, over and out. See you in the next video. Mods are going to be off the chain. Peace out.